Okay, now we're going to light the water heater. I got all this stuff all over me, but now we're gonna light the pilot. So you set the little arrow to point to the pilot. When you do, you can push in. That releases gas. You push it in to release the gas, and then you hit this striker here. There it is. Okay, so once the pilot flame comes on, you wait for this light to start blinking. Right here, it's going to start blinking. Once it starts blinking, you can release the pilot knob. See, there it goes. Okay, now it's blinking. Now it's ready to go. Now we can set the temperature. And there it is. A very common problem with these gas valves, let me see if I have the old one, is they crack right here and they leak water through the inside. If you have that problem, you'll need to replace this valve. Just be very careful. I did it without draining the tank, but that's from experience. But that's all there is to it. A very common problem with these, like I said, is that this part here cracks. Water goes in there and starts leaking out through here. They've upgraded them and they put a metal sleeve over this so that it doesn't crack as easily. But I hope that helps you.